In this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to fix Gorilla Tag crashing on Quest 2. So the first thing we can do to try to fix this is to restart your headset. So hold down the power button until the shutdown menu appears. Then you're going to select restart or power off, then turn it back on. This simple step can resolve temporary software glitches, just so you know. And the step number 2, if it doesn't work, it's going to be to uninstall and reinstall Gorilla Tag. So navigate to your library, locate Gorilla Tag, and then uninstall it. After uninstallation, restart your headset, then reinstall Gorilla Tag once again from the Oculus store and try again. And if that doesn't work, then step number 3 is going to be to remove mods if applicable. And if you have actually installed mods, they might be causing conflicts, just so you know. So use tools like SideQuest or Quest Patcher to remove any modded files. Ensure all residual mod files are deleted before reinstalling the game once again. Then step number 4, you're going to check for system updates actually. So go to settings, system, software updates to ensure your Quest 2 is up to date. Then keeping your system updated can actually prevent compatibility issues, just so you know. And yeah, this can actually fix this for you as well, just so you know. This isn't just like a generic tip. This does work sometimes, of course. So try it. Then step number 5, free up storage space. So low storage can lead to performance issues, so delete unnecessary apps or files to ensure that you actually have sufficient free space so that you can actually run games properly. So the last thing, if nothing works, so step number 6 is going to be for us to factory reset our headset. So if everything else fails, consider performing a factory reset. This will erase all data on your headset, so back up important information first. To reset, you need to turn off your headset, hold down the power button and volume down buttons simultaneously until the boot menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to factory reset and then press the power button to select it. Then you're going to confirm your selection. And hopefully this will be able to fix this for you.